Water, please.
She's alone.
That entire film, every scene, every transformation, I made it using Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut Web. If you've ever wondered how to make AI videos that actually look cinematic, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this. Let's dive in. 4 problems killed every AI film. Character consistency, multi-shot continuity. Scene 1 looks cinematic. Scene 2 looks like a different film. Motion quality, scene control. Fix one thing, lose everything. Seedance 2.5 fixes all 4. Head over to CapCut. The link in my description takes you directly to the Seedance 2.5 version. Just open and create. Before generating, you can save all your character references, style rules, and camera directions into a custom skill. One click, every shot stays consistent. Once you're in Video Studio, set Agent Mode to Director. This gives you full control over the scene. Select Video Mode, then select Seedance 2.5. Set Quality 1080p. Choose Aspect Ratio 16:9. Seedance 2.5 can generate up to 30 seconds in a single continuous shot. Before I write a single prompt, references first. You can upload up to 50 assets. No other model offers this many. I uploaded 10 images: Circe, Warrior, Animal, Environment. Each asset locked in separately. Now prompt. Here's what separates amateurs from directors. Break your film into scenes. Direct the AI like a director, not a user. Copy, paste. That's it. Look at what just happened. This is CapCut Canvas, your entire production workspace in one place. It doesn't start generating the video. It broke it down scene by scene. Title, character setup, visual actions, timing. Built a complete cinematic script. OK, to change the language, right-click on the page and select English. And done. Hit confirm. Let it cook. Look at that.
Water, please.
The transformation. One prompt. 30 seconds with native audio. Built in. That is the power of Seedance 2.5. In our generated film, CapCut made real the warrior to kneel. But we want Jigsaw to kneel. Without timestamp control, you would regenerate the entire 30 seconds and hope for the best. But watch what we do instead. I write the exact timestamp and say, replace it real with it Jigsaw. I specify and hit regenerate. Watch the result. Only that moment regenerates. Everything else stays locked. Director level control. Now watch this. This is my raw footage. Circe, in a plain green screen. I upload this green screen clip. I write one simple prompt. Ancient forest, misty atmosphere, tall dark trees, cinematic. And this is the result. Same performance. No compositing software. No VFX team. One prompt. Inside your browser. And what if you want more? This is where Seedance 2.5's Extend feature comes in. 30 more seconds. I added this video as a reference. I just type the next scene prompt. It will take all the settings from your reference video. Just hit generate. And we wait. The story is now complete. 60 seconds of cinematic AI film, fully generated inside CapCut Web. Now what if the AI keeps ignoring your camera angles no matter what you write in the prompt? This is where the 3D white model comes in. You tell the AI exactly what pose the character holds. I uploaded this and got the result with the same pose, same camera. The white model controlled the structure. Seedance built the world. One film shouldn't mean one audience. CapCut Web's improved multilingual support. Before I export, I save this entire Cersei workflow as a skill archive. Next project, one click. Same character. No rebuilding from zero. This is how professionals maintain brand consistency across every video they make. Whether you're making short films or doing marketing video production, this workflow works for everything. One prompt. Reference images. 30 seconds. The link is in my description. Click it. CapCut Web opens directly. Now go make something insane. If this helped, drop a like. Hit subscribe for more AI workflows like this. See you in the next one.